Hey, it's Mark at the Allegan Conservation District. Just wanted to share a little solution to a problem that developed on our Truax drill that I figured out here over the last week or so. We had a situation where these press wheels had loosened up a little and it caused that hole. You can see how that bolt jukes around in there now. That's really not supposed to be that way. That's supposed to be nice and tight so that the press wheel turns effectively and stays true to the furrow and all that good stuff. What I did to fix that, instead of the shorter bolt that Truax recommends, I got a little longer bolt. Took it to my shop at home there and put a little extra thread on it so I'd have a little more room to work with. And then reassembled it like so. Here's the bolt going in through the press wheel. On the back side of that, put another washer and then one of these thin nuts that Truax provides, and then we cinch that down far enough so it's tight but still allows the wheel to turn. You need a fairly small diameter washer in here because you've actually got to go into this little indentation in the bracket. But then by nutting the other side off of it and tightening those two nuts against each other, I can firmly attach that bolt so it doesn't wander around in there and cause that press wheel to be misaligned or cause that bolt hole to get any bigger. So it seems to be a pretty good solution and saved us, I don't know, about 30 bucks a piece on new brackets. So I don't know, about a $250 repair potentially, and kind of put it back together with a little ingenuity. So anyway, that's what we end up with. Nice straight running press wheel. Gotta love it. Mark Ludwig, Allegan Conservation District.